Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So, it's time for our next bird, which is the chaffinch. 1 o'clock. Look at that. There we go, that's better. It's like 25 seconds from 12:59 so far. So, just an announcement before the bird goes off. Just want to let you know, after November, we will start our new series of Tipping Point. That will be our new game on the channel so far. So, in a few seconds' time, the chaffinch will go off. Ooh, there we go. Let me hear your voices, chaffinch. 1 o'clock. Nice. I do hope you guys enjoyed, and see you for the cuckoo. Goodbye.